what game would you like to play?
Can I play Animal Dominoes, please?
That sounds great.
Excellent.
Okay, so we've got our dominoes and we'll just dish them out evenly.
Excellent.
Shuffle the animal cards. Right, we've done that. The person who has the double cat card is the first player. Let's have a look.
Who has it?
Oh,
Oh, it's you.
I've got it. The double cat card. Okay,
Cat.
cat. Okay, your turn.
So I need a cat or a cat. I need a cat. Okay. Where can I find a cat? Here. I have a cat. Ooh, a cat and a dog. The cat,
Cat.
cat,
So I need to find a dog. I'm looking for a dog. Let me
Okay.
see. There's a dog. Okay. Oh, there you go.
a dog and a,
Oh,
got a horse.
horse. Right, I'll just move that down a little bit.
Okay.
So I need you need to find a horse.
A horse, or what's at the other end? A cat.
Oh, a cat.
Okay. I have another cat. There, this cat's upside down.
Oh,
There's the cat.
there's the cat. I think you need to put your cat the other way around.
Oh, I need to turn him round.
Turn around.
Okay, there we go. Oh, we've got a cat and a cat and a cat. And then a rabbit.
A rabbit! Oh goodness. I have some cats at home, Nikki.
Do
They're
you?
very naughty. They don't let me sleep. Oh, they play all night long.
Do you have a rabbit?
I don't have a rabbit, but you know, I would quite like one.
Oh, they're very cute.
They're very cute and cuddly.
They are. indeed.
Okay, so is it my turn?
Now, a fish or a dog.
Okay, that's not too bad. Let me see what I've got. Oh, I've got some fish or a cat. Okay,
Okay.
there we go. Some fish,
Fish and the cat.
and a cat.
I've got fish and I've got cats.
Oh,
Yeah,
goodness gracious.
Yes. but the cats don't eat the fish.
Oh, they do. Oh,
No,
thank
no.
goodness.
No. Yes,
They like each other.
they do. They all like each other. They just watch them. Watch the fish
Watch them swim.
swimming away.
Oh.
Okay, so cat or fish?
This game's heating up.
It is, and we're left with a horse,
Or
Or
another
another
cat. Oh dear.
Oh, I've got both still, so I'm going to put the cat. I'll do it this way. Give it more room,
Okay.
even though it's upside down. There we go. The cat
Cat.
I had. So you need
A rabbit.
a rabbit or,
Or
a
a
horse.
Oh, lucky for me, I have a horse left because I've got no more rabbits left.
Yay.
There we go.
Oh,
Two
I
horses.
need a horse or a rabbit. Now I've no rabbits left either, but I do have a horse. There we go, a horse with some fish.
Oh dear.
So it's either a fish
Fish.
or
Or
a
a
rabbit.
rabbit.
How many do you have left?
I have one more domino left.
And I have one left as well. Will we hold them up? What have we got?
Oh.
But you're first.
I'm first. So luckily, I have the domino I need.
And it matches with the
Fish. It's
No.
the same.
It's the same, so she's the winner.
Woo!
Well done.